Hi everyone, hope you're all well. This is a quick audio file on the use of get. I get a lot of questions, I receive a lot of questions about get. It's used everywhere. So we use get to obtain, to receive, to bring, to buy, to catch. For instance, to obtain things. He always gets everything he wants. You could say he always obtains everything he wants, but we don't say that. We say he gets everything he wants. The past, he got a new jacket last month. He got his driving license last year. We use it to receive things, to say I've received something. I got an email from the boss yesterday. She gets lots of clothes from Studio Effe. This is to receive things. We also use it to buy things, to say I buy things. So we say, for instance, we need to get a new car. The car is broken, it's old. We need to get a new car. We need to get a new computer. Can you go to the shop and get some milk? Can you get this? Can you get that? To buy things. To bring, we say, can you get me a coffee, please, from the kitchen? Can you get me some milk from the fridge? Can I get you a drink? Can I bring you a drink? We say, can I get you a drink? To catch things, and I don't mean throw and catch, I mean, well, we use it to say, do you think we'll have time to get the 8 o'clock train? I need to get the first plane in the morning, the first flight to Chicago. We use it to say, when we talk about arriving somewhere, he gets home very late. When I worked in Bogota, I got home at 8 p.m. every night. How long does it take you to get to work? We use it with, to show things are changing. I'm getting tired. My brother gets angry very easily. It's getting dark. It's getting cold. I'm getting worried. We got married last year. You'll hear it in a lot of cases to get something done. For instance, you'll hear, we are getting the house. We are getting the house decorated next week. You should get your tires changed on your car. And to do something. For instance, we say, how can I get my children to read more? I don't know how to get him to repair the bathroom, whatever. I need to get him to do something. Okay, so these are just a few of the uses of get and got in the past. You'll hear this everywhere. Hope this helps. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.